Hello guys, welcome to the 7th day of our coding challenge series. And today we are solving this problem, which is count equal and divisible pairs in an array. Given a zero index integer array nums of length n and an integer k. So we have a nums array and an integer k. Return the number of pairs I comma j where I is greater than equals to 0 and j is greater than I, and I and j both are lesser than n, such that nums at position I is equals to nums at position j, and I multiplied by j is divisible by k, which means the remainder is 0. Okay, in the example 1 it says nums is 3 1 2 and 222 1 3, which is this is index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5 and index 6, and k is given 2. There are 4 pairs that meet all the requirements. So the condition was if nums I is equals to nums j and I multiplied by j is divisible by k. So you see nums at position 0 is equals to nums at position 6. So 3 and 3 are equal, and the second condition is also satisfied, that I, which is 0 multiplied by 6, so 0 and then divisible by k. So it is of course divisible by 2. 0 is divisible by 2. So these both conditions meet, so we will increase the counter by 1. Similarly, this condition also satisfies, so count will be 2 here, then count 3, then finally count 4. That's why we get an output as 4. Let's solve this. So we have integer nums array, and then we have an integer k. So what we can do is, first of all, run a loop. Oh yeah, also we can initialize a counter variable, and for integer I equals to 0, I lesser than nums dot length I plus plus, and then close it. And similarly I will create one more for loop, nested for loop for j. So this would be for integer j, but it would be like I plus 1. If this will be for I plus 1, and j will be also lesser than nums dot length and j plus plus, because you know that j is greater than I. Okay, so now we will check if nums at position I is equals to nums at position j, and we want this condition to be true, and the second condition was if I multiplied by j is okay, if I times j percentage sign k. So if the remainder of this is equals to 0, then if both conditions are true, like this condition and this first condition, so then we will increase the counter, otherwise we will skip this step, and then we will just simply return count. So let's run this. Okay, so it works. Now let's submit the solution. Okay, we achieved a runtime of 3 milliseconds. I hope you guys understood the solution, and if you have any questions you can ask them in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video.